All right, well, it's November 5th morning after the big windstorm that we just had last night that was forecasted and came to pass. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. Someone's exercise, a big exercise ball. I have no idea where that came from. I looked at Arlington weather last night. Late part of the evening, they had registered almost 50-mile-an-hour gusts. We haven't had wind like this for, it's been several years, luckily, but we're getting caught up now in a big way. There's just limbs everywhere, blanketing everything. No trees down that I know of yet, although I heard trees going down in adjacent areas all night long. Got some small limbs up on the roof I'll have to deal with. The limb right there. That's where the damage happened. The last big blow we had, top of the cedar come off of this tree over here. Nothing like that this time, thankfully. We got lots of big limbs back here, big limbs. And small ones too. Looking across the back area there, none of the trees come down back there. Had one that I would like to have seen blow down that didn't. Mountain of limbs there, big ones too, that crashed down on the flowers in the pot and the chair. Missed the table though. That's probably the best spot for the table if I can't get it under the deck. It's sheltered by the wall. Limbs back there. Up top I got a camp stove from, well, the kitchen disaster last summer, and I'm heating up some water for some coffee and heat up our dog's kibble a little bit for breakfast. No rain right now. Oddly enough, there's a widowmaker that's been hung up in that tree there for several years now, and that didn't come down either, of course. Everything else did. I got to deal with these jack-o'-lanterns before they turn to mush. That'll be a project for later today. Oh hell. Look at that. It blew the hanging basket right off of the garage there. I had a little hoop. Oh yeah, the wire broke. I had a hoop of wire on it. So much for that. That'll go away. Probably take care of the other one while I'm at it. Nothing back here to speak of. A dishwasher from our summer disaster. That is going to go away on Wednesday. All right. There you have it.